You're watching XPTV.
Liar!
And getting fired from the mini-mart.
I'm really that ticked off that I stuck straws up my nose at the restaurant.
The making of the Studs of Microsoft calendar.
There you go. Now shake it. Shake it. Come on.
Okay.
Perfect. All right. Give me some love. Good job.
It's hard being a stud. Definitely harder than writing code.
It's great that Windows XP is so portable. I have everything that I need right here. I can take pictures, immediately download them, and create the layout right here at the shoot.
They're studs, and they're from Microsoft.
This is Talk Show.
And we are back with Brad Liggins. He is a vegetarian activist. Mr. Liggins, what are some kinds of foods that a vegetarian can eat for nutrition?
There's nuts, rice, veal, salads.
Excuse me, did you say veal?
Well, that's right, yeah. Veal, in fact, is probably my favorite.
You only think that because with you it's all XP, XP, XP.
It's true.
But veal's a meat.
No, it's not.
And admit you love Windows XP too.
Never.
Well, you know, it just so happens that I have Windows XP, and if you look right here in my pictures folder, I think you'll see I have a picture of a veal calf. So where do you think veal comes from?
The veal bush.
This is Game Show.
Oh, you're a kitty cat. Oh, yes. Stand up, you kitty cat. Now turn into a tiger. There you go.
What are some other foods that a vegetarian like you can eat for nutrition?
Beans.
Okay.
And corn chowder.
All right.
Bacon. Soup.
Bacon? Bacon comes from a pig. Like that.
It doesn't look anything like bacon.
Uh-oh. Wedgie.
Thanks for watching XPTV.